Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, one and only original, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls. Here's Kathy. Say hello, Kathy.
Hello.
Kathy's mad at me. What else is new? All right, this is Mobile Burgh Unboxing. We have a gift here. We have... Oh my God, this is heavy. 40 cans. I'm not going to take this out of here. 40 cans of... Turn this around. Would you help me, please? Help me with the box. I need another hand to turn it. 40 cans of Friskies, surfing and chirping. Salmon, chicken and tuna, beef and ocean whitefish, and wellness kittles, tuna and cranberries recipe. My cats love this. Hold that, please. And there is Delectables roasted chicken flavor. My kitties also love this. I will give one of these to Kathy, her kitty. And any notes in here? There are. I don't. Wait a minute. Nope. I don't see any notes. Let's make sure this is really cat food and not full of bricks. It's cat food. Well, thank you, somebody. I'll look later to see where the notes are, if there are any. I really appreciate this for the outdoor kitties. They will like it very much. All right. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. We're going out. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe out there. Bye-bye for now. Thank you, benefactor of the kitties and lover of kitties everywhere.